I got a little astronaut somewhere. This had a hook on it, and you go out and pick up the astronaut, bring him back over, and put him on the ship. You're gonna fly into your foot, probably.
Okay, let me give it a try now. Daddy, stop it, seriously. I'm gonna give it a try.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, see that landing? More power, less power. Ow! Hasn't been used in a long time. The controls are a little sticky.
I can do it, people. Never know.
We drug her out of the box tonight after my little interview the other night talking about the toys. Here we go. 1973 Mattel. Most definitely now I'm for sure what hooked me on helicopters a long time ago. You're hovering a helicopter. Nice landing. Good job.
Now you try.
Whoa! A little crazy right off the bat.
Okay, now you can go. Come back.
And you know what? That is ridiculously fun. Nice landing. That concludes our Vertibird 2011.